Hello guys, welcome to Crazy Creativity with Vedant. My name is Vedant and in today's video we are going to learn how to make a paper rangoli. Yes, we are going to make a paper rangoli but without rangoli powder but with paper. So if you will enjoy today's video, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, and after subscribing make sure to hit the bell icon. But now coming towards the video, in today's paper rangoli we will be requiring these materials. It's not a game, it's a rich thing. So guys, now first to start with our paper rangoli, first we would require to make leaves because this paper rangoli would be a little bit different. So for making the leaves, first we will take any color paper of your choice and then we are going to fold it like this to make a square sheet. Now we will take this square sheet over here and open it. Now as you can see, because we made this square sheet out of a A4 paper, we have this line in between, and parallel to this line we are going to cut these two into half. So we have two triangles. So first let's cut this line into half as well. So now we have two of these triangles. We will keep one of this triangle at a side because for making one leaf we need one of this triangle. Now we will rotate our triangle to this side so that we have the long side facing towards us, and then like we make a fan, we are going to fold a little bit inside. So as you can see, I have folded a little bit inside and we are going to fully fold it till the other end. We will fold it till the end so that we get a nice shape. Now as you can see over here, I have folded this much part over in. First we will fold it properly. Now the next thing what are we going to do is, like we fold a fan, we are going to fold our leaf as well. Now I folded it from this side. Now we will turn the sheet and we are going to fold it like this. Now as you can see, we have folded it two times. Now remember that the smaller you fold for the leaf, the better the leaf looks. So that if you fold this fold small, your leaf will also look beautiful. So as you can see, we have folded it two times. Now we will fold it all the way till here at the end. So first let's fold it till here. So guys, as you can see, we have folded it like this. Now ignore this thing over here. If it happens with you, you can also ignore it. It will do nothing to our leaf. Now the next thing what are we going to do is, we are going to expand this a little because I messed up a little bit over here. Now as you can see, this is fine now, and we will once again put it inside like this fully so that we get nice creases on our leaf. Now the next thing what are we going to do is, we are going to fold it like this from here, and from the middle over here we are going to fold it in the up direction like this, so that this point which comes at the last is outwards, and when we fold it like this from the between, it faces downwards. Now once we fold it, we will properly fold it like this, and after you do that, we are going to apply some glue over here and stick this leaf like this, so that we get a proper shape for the leaf, and our leaf will also look nice. Now because we made a small fold while making our fan, that is why our leaf is looking very nice. But in comparison, when I was doing it for trial, I accidentally folded it a little bit bigger, so our leaf looks something like this, which which would not look nice in comparison to this leaf. This leaves rather looks more nicer. Now we are going to stick it over here, then our leaf would look even more nice. And for making this rangoli, you would require a ton of these leaves. So first we will make those leaves as well, then I will meet you. Now as you can see, this is sticked from here. Now once it sticks properly from here as well, our leaf would look even more nice. But till it's sticking, we will require to make many more of these leaves. So first let's make many more of these leaves. So guys, now I have made some of these leaves, and I have made these many leaves. I think these leaves wouldn't be enough for our rangoli. We would require many more than these, but for now we will keep these leaves on a side, and we will bring this big cardboard, and I have cut this circle out of a cardboard, and I have cut this circle out of a cardboard, and I have randomly used a plate, and this is of a random size. You don't have to be precise. Now the next thing what are we going to do is, because we are making a rangoli, we are going to stick the leaves on this cardboard sheet. So for example, I have this one orange leaf over here. We going to stick it like this, and the next leaf we are going to stick it next to it. We are going to keep quite some, we are going to keep some space like this. And if this cardboard looks over here as well, don't worry. First we will stick these leaves entirely like this, and after that we are going to start another layer, and we are going to stick leaves over here as well. So first let's start sticking leaves.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So guys, now we have finished sticking the first layer of leaves. Now we are going to take some more leaves, and we are going to stick it in between like these. So you're seeing this cardboard space over here. Once we stick this over here, that would not that would not be seen anymore. And we are going to stick the same over here, over here, over here, and all of over here as well. And when we are done with layer number 2, in between we are going to stick a flower. So if you remember from this video over here, we made a rose flower which we are going to stick over here. So for that I have already made a rose flower, and if you don't know how to make that rose flower, I'll give the link to my video in the description. You can check the video out from there. But before sticking the flower, first let's stick these leaves over here as well. So guys, now I have stick the second layer over here as well, as you can see. And now I have this flower over here. So if you guys remember from this video over here, we made this flower. So if you haven't checked that video out, I'll give the link in the description. You can check that out. And also this is a Mickey Mouse keychain which we made in this video over here. So if you haven't checked that video as well, you can check that as well. I'll give the link for both of these videos in the description. Now this is a different flower. This is not the same flower we made in the video, which we are going to stick over here. Now we are going to properly stick this flower over here so that our paper rangoli looks nice. And as you can see, these small spaces over here, I have these over here which I can hide pretty nicely. So first let's get into sticking this flower over here. So guys, now I have finished sticking the flower as well, and our paper rangoli is finally ready. Now I know you cannot see it completely because it is quite big. As you saw in the thumbnail, this paper rangoli looks exactly the same in real life. So if you enjoyed today's video on how to make a paper rangoli, make sure to like it, share it with your friends and family, teach them how to make this paper rangoli, and most importantly, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and after subscribing, don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.